one more mini episode of Ralf was very business while doing tie rod ends and all kinds of other suspension related items. I also looked at the ball joints of the center linkage with the shock absorber, connecting both left and right tie rod ends. And well, what worked for the tie rod ends, replacing the rubber boots, also works for that one. If the tie rod ends are still in good shape, not corroded, don't have play, well, it's a cheap fix, and here's how. Here is the center connecting assembly with its own ball joints and the shock absorber. And most of these are well worn, like this one. Oh, there you go. Comes apart real easy. I'm gonna have to just make sure to get rid of the old springs. Usually those do not wear, just because there is a lot of engine oil, steering hydraulic fluid from the steering power steering system. And once we have cleaned this up, look, this looks in perfect shape. So we'll re-grease it, and then we're going to put new rubber boots on, just like we did with the other tie rod ends. So I'll be right back. Hold on tight. Once again, little grease around. This doesn't really need an awful lot. Works wonderful, has no play. And then we'll take the rubber boot, put the little ring over top first, so you don't have to finagle around with that later. There's a real severe pain. Put this one back on. There you go. Pops in place. Sits wonderfully. And then the only pain is this little clip here. There we go. Ooh. It is a royal pain to get these started, but once you do, there we go. Not quite. Come on. Get back into your groove. There we go. Make one more round. All right, so with that, we can go on to the next one, and once I have those back in place. Make sure that the top, your end head, is free of debris, because otherwise the end head wrench will not fit in there and you will not be able to get the nut started and tightened. All right, another mini episode of Spray Benzes. Give the channel a like, recommend, and see you later.